were established in 1987 as part of the Main Street America program. Our program is both state and nationally accredited. We have a 15-member board for our leadership team, and then we also have 2 ex officios that serve with our program. I serve as the executive director, and we have a part-time assistant director as well. Since our program was established, we've just continued to grow and fulfill the needs of our downtown district. The Oklahoma Main Street Incentive Program is a tax redirection that we're able to capture through the Oklahoma Department of Commerce. The project that led us to apply for the Oklahoma Main Street Incentive Program was the Downtown Streetscape project, an initiative that was already done with our city. That included adding new Edison lighting, as well as redoing the flower beds from 1st Street to 6th Street on Grand Avenue. Those flower beds are now irrigated, and they are just absolutely beautiful for our downtown district. The new corner nodes add additional safety measures throughout the district because they do extend into the roadways farther, so pedestrians are covered farther out into the crosswalk sections of downtown. Another addition with the Downtown Streetscape project was we did a road diet. We were able to add 98 additional parking spaces. Overall, the walkability of downtown has increased. The downtown is what businesses are always looking at just to see the overall health of a community. By having the Downtown Streetscape project completed, it shows that our community is dedicated to having our downtown thrive and be able to expand the district even more. The Oklahoma Main Street Incentive Program is a great way for you to make big, impactful changes in your downtown by being able to capture funds that you may not have been able to do without this program. I highly encourage other Main Street programs within our state to apply for this program with the Oklahoma Department of Commerce.